Earn $1 every single minute right now. Hello and welcome to Quick Hustle. My name is Imran. On this channel, I put together videos about how to make quick money online. If you are new here, don't forget to click the subscription button as well as the bell icon. And also, if you are excited to see the new strategy, smash the like button as well as drop below and tell me I have subscribed. I welcome you to the channel. So today the video is all about how to earn $1 a minute online. So if you are excited to see how it's done, smash the like button. So we perform Google search for. I've performed the searches before, so I'll just do it again. It's loading. Actually, my internet is a little bit slow. So here we are. It brought up so many videos, and then some search results too. I won't bother clicking on it because I've already done the search and I saw this website. It caught my eye. So with this website, it should be an Indian. So earn $100 in 90 minutes. Join our focus group on money transfer to India. So with this option, it should be Indian. It should be a money transfer customer. You should be living in Greater Boston area. You should be ready to talk about your experience, and you should be available to attend a session on 7th April from 1:30 p.m. noon. I'm not sure if this 1 April is past or is still next April to come because we are in October now. So quick and easy in 90 minutes and $90 in cash. Bonus coupons, that's $10 bonus coupon. I don't want this video to be long. About if you are excited about the offer and you are in and you want to see more strategies on how to make money online, don't forget to drop below this video. I leave in the description below my recommendation to make money online. So thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.